Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you some budget-friendly Father's Day gifting ideas that I think you'll really like. I'm also going to show you some quick and easy packaging ideas, and I'm also going to give you in the description below, you can download some gift tags to use on your own packages. So if you want to know how to do this, stick around. I'll show you how. Come on, let's get started. Okay, for the first one, I've got a beard grooming kit. This is a great gift for anybody that has a beard. It comes with the shampoo, the balm, the oil, scissors. It comes with a lot of little gadgets, and I'm putting the little gadgets in the bag just to kind of get those out of the way so they don't get lost in my basket. And I'm just taking a dowel stick to stick into the top of this so that when I put it in my basket and heat shrink it, it doesn't melt down. Now I'm just going to take a Dollar Tree flower pot, and I'm doing this with the green one, and I'm going to go ahead and put all my paper in first just to kind of build it up so I don't waste so much of my crinkle paper. You want to make sure it's full though, and then I'm going to start by putting the bag in the back. That's the tallest piece, and I'm just going to start building forward. Now this really is a nice way to give a gift box gift a fresher look, a more upscale look, and you can get these beard oil kits at TJ Maxx. They have them at Walmart, you know, the different brands, but they all carry something that's similar in price. And then I'm just going to take it and I'm going to put it in a shrink wrap bag, and I'm going to shrink wrap it. I'm just taking a rubber band, tying around the top part, and then I'm just going to take some tape and just tape in my corners. And then I'm going to take my heat source and I'm just going to go to town. Now I'm going on low heat because you don't want to burn a hole in your bag. And it really doesn't take long to do that. See how good that looks? Then I'm going to take a gift tag, and I've given you those in the description below. You can download and print them. And then I'm going to tie it off with some paracord instead of a ribbon. All right, there you have it. This is a pretty inexpensive gift. I got this on Amazon. I'll give you the link for it. And it was only around $19.99. Which is a great gift for any guy with a beard. Next basket, I'm taking John Henry seasoning mix. It's a kit, and you get 5 full-size bottles in this. And if you haven't tried these before, this is a really good seasoning mix to use on chicken, steaks, seafood. You can put them on hamburgers. And then I'm just going to take one of the Dollar Tree flower pots again, and I'm going to fill it with paper first, just so I don't have to use so much of my crinkle paper. And these flower pots make great gift baskets. Then I'm just going to take one of the Dollar Tree oven mitts or the barbecue mitts, and then I'm just going to start putting my product in here. This really does dress up a gift really nicely. And you're not really out that much money for the packaging. And then I'm going to put this in a shrink wrap bag as well. I'm just going to tie the top off with a rubber band, and then I'm going to tuck my sides underneath with some tape. And then I'm going to go ahead and start heating it up. Now I'm going to go ahead and do it on low heat because you don't want to burn a hole in this. And then I'm just tying it off with the same paracord and the same little tag. Okay, for a $25 gift with a Dollar Tree flower pot, I thought this turned out really cute. These seasonings are so good that they will definitely love those and use those. Next is this little survivor kit, and this is a great kit for anybody that likes gadgets. You get 19 different gadgets in this one kit. You get anything from carabiners to paracord to a saw, some flint starters. Yeah, there's a couple multi-tools in there, emergency whistles. Anybody that likes gadgets, this is a great gift for them. And I'm just going to take a Dollar Tree basket, and I'm just going to put a bandana in it, and I'm going to fill it with the paper just like I did the last one, and I'm going to put some crinkle wrap in here. And then I'm just going to start adding my pieces until I have it full. I'm going to just go ahead and heat seal it in a bag just like I did the last one. And then I'm going to tie a paracord around the front as a ribbon, and I'm going to put a tag on it. Okay, this turned out really good, just taking it and putting it in a basket. You know, for $29, I think this is a really good buy. Next little set is great if they don't have any tools. This is a 124-piece magnetic tool kit, and it comes with this nice stand. And I'm just going to go ahead and wrap it with craft paper. And then I'm going to take these little tape measure strips that I've given you the download for. You can cut them out. I'm just going to kind of run them through my finger to make them curl a little bit because I'm going to make a bow out of these. Okay, then I'm just going to bend them over and put a little glue on them and keep doing it till you have as many as you want. And that's what that bow looks like. I'm going to add a little washer right in the center of it, and then I'm going to add a nut on top of that. And then I'm just going to take some jean material. I just cut the strap off of a pair of my husband's old jeans, and I'm just going to glue it right across the top and the bottom of this. Just a simple packaging idea. It didn't take a lot of work to do. And the toolkit for $37 for as many tools as you got, I thought that was a good buy. Okay, this next one is a deep tissue massager. This is a really good tool for somebody that has sore muscles, who maybe works and stands all day long. I bought my son-in-law one of these a couple of years ago, and he uses it on his legs. But it comes with 3 different size balls. You just charge it, and then on the back it tells you exactly how much charge you have left, and it does different settings for how much pressure that you want. But it does stay charged for a long time, and I'll show you on my arm how it looks. You can dial it down or dial it up depending on what pressure you want. But this is a great little gift for somebody that has sore muscles. And I'm just going to take and put it in a basket. I'm going to put some just tissue paper in the front. I'm going to put some crinkle paper in the back. And I'm just going to add a couple jars of cookies to go with this one. And then I'm going to put it in a shrink bag as well, and then just shrink this one up. This is a pretty nice gift, especially for $29. And in a basket with some cookies, it really does add a little touch to it. This next one is a Cuisinart 14-inch portable barbecue grill. It's great for tailgaters. It's great for somebody that just wants to cook a couple little burgers and not have to do the whole grill, set it up. I'm putting a barbecue mitt in it. I'm putting some barbecue sauce in it, and I'm just going to put the lid on it. Now, I went ahead and put it together, so I would suggest that you go ahead and assemble it. It only took about 15 minutes. And then I'm going to put it in a big shrink wrap bag, and then I'm going to come back in and I'm going to add some cookies down the bottom tray. This is great for somebody that maybe lives in an apartment complex as well that doesn't have a lot of space. But you can cook probably at least 6 hamburgers on this at one time. It holds a lot. And then I'm just adding some cookies. And I'm just going to go ahead and heat seal this one up. All right, great for anybody that has limited space that likes to barbecue. And for $21, I thought that was a pretty good gift. Okay, this next one, I just got some little tools from Dollar Tree for the barbecue. I got the little mitt from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to go ahead and put my little tools inside of it. And then I did the same thing. I got a jar of little cookies to put in there. And this is a chimney starter for the charcoal. This is a great way to not have to wait forever for your charcoal to start in your grill. You just start it in here, and then you pour it into it. And it's got a protective handle there that has a cooling deal, so you won't burn your hands. I'm just going to put all this inside of it, and then I'm going to shrink wrap it. Now, this is a great gift for somebody that has a barbecue grill already, or you could gift it with the last gift that I just showed you. And then I'm just going to heat shrink this one too, put a ribbon on it, and put a tag on it. And this makes a great gift for anybody that likes to barbecue. And for $19, including the accessories that I got at Dollar Tree, I think this is a really nice gift and very budget friendly. This is a magnetic wrist tool. You just put it around your wrist, it velcros on, and it holds nuts, screws, anything magnetic it'll hold. This will be great for anybody that does home repair, any kind of construction, automotive, woodworking. And I'm just going to wrap it around a pool noodle to hold its shape. And then I'm going to pair it with a rechargeable flashlight and my husband's favorite snack. And I'm just putting it into one of the Dollar Tree flower pots, and I'm just going to shrink wrap this one as well. And then just tie it off with the paracord, put the tag on it, and that turned out really good. And for $9.99 for the wrist tool, I thought that was a great buy. And if you do want to pair it with the flashlight, you can get any flashlight you want, but this little Nebo flashlight rechargeable for $24 is a good buy. This next little gadget's a great one. It's a little Bluetooth speaker that charges with a USB cable, and you can pair it with an iPad, or you can pair it with your phone. It's got great volume. You just go ahead and plug it into there and plug that into the USB port to charge it. And then when you get ready to turn it on, you're just going to push the button right there, and you can hear that it's charged. And then just open up your settings on your Bluetooth and go ahead and pair it with this speaker. And then pick a song that you want to play and play it.
I know a place where we can go to lay the troubles down, meeting your soul.
And the volume controls for it work off of your device. Wrap it. I'm just going to take a regular bandana, open it up, and I'm just going to wrap it inside this bandana. This is a quick and easy way to wrap a gift with a bandana, and it does look good. So just going to fold it over the 2 points there, and then just bring them together and tie them in a knot right in the front. Just kind of get as much of the fabric as you can in the inside part and then tie it on up. And then I'm just going to take some baker's twine and that same tag that I've given you down in the download to print out, and I'm just going to tie it on the front part. Okay, just that simple. That was an easy gift to wrap, and the speaker quality on this speaker was incredible. And for $28, I thought that was a great buy. The last one's super simple. Just bake a batch of cookies, put it in a nice jar, and we're going to wrap it up with a bandana. This is a quick and easy gift, and it is very nice to get a batch of homemade cookies. Your dad will love them. Just gather all your fabric up at the top. Just put a rubber band around the top of them, and then I'm just going to tie the same paracord on them. And then I'm just going to add one of those same little tags. Okay, these are all pretty inexpensive gifts today that I shared with you. I enjoyed making the video. If you like these kind of videos, be sure and give me a thumbs up and let me know if you want to see future videos like this. And be sure and ring that bell to be notified when I have a new video upload. Thank y'all so much for watching. I really appreciate it.